Congressman Johnny Pimentel and Congresswoman Janet Green.
Short
Are you
lang,
done, Congresswoman Luistro? You are
Sige
okay.
lang,
Thank you, Jinky.
Congressman.
Please proceed, Congressman Dan.
Hindi, I was a little bit, medyo mayroong akong konting confusion about the pronouncement of the former president. And I was amazed, no? Na actually ngayon ko lang parang nakita to na siya yung pumatay. Ang question ko lamang po, we were talking about the 13 Chinese nationals. At doon sa 13 na Chinese nationals na yon, meron siyang tatlong mga bata. Merong 14 years old, merong 15 years old, at merong 18 years old. So kung sakaling totoo yung sinasabi ng former president that he killed everybody, yeah, for the love of the country, involving those children, this is something that is so serious, no? And we have to take it seriously talaga. And I just wanted to know, asan na tong 13 taong ito? Sa ngayon, Wilkins, we don't know the whereabouts of these 13 Chinese nationals.
Mr. Chair, talagang ang makakasagot nito is Bureau of Immigration. Tama yung sabi ni Congress Representative Luistro na tingnan yung travel record. Kasi talagang nirelease ng BID. It's the BID na makakasagot nito, Mr. Chair. Mas madadali kung makuha talaga yung travel records ng mga taong ito, Mr. Chair.
Okay, Mr. Chairman, yun lamang gusto kong medyo maintindihan. And kailangan po magkaroon tayo ng closure dito sa isyong to. No? Very bothering po itong pati bata ay kung talagang pinatay ng former president to ay medyo bothering to that even the Chinese embassy must be aware of what happened. What about the Chinese embassy? Ano naging reaction nila on these Chinese nationals? Have we invited the Chinese embassy during that time? Because these are all Chinese nationals. So basically, these criminals must be turned over to them, correct? Have we included the Chinese embassy?
Hindi ko pa alam kung anong action talaga ng Bureau of Immigration, Mr. Chair. Kaya,
A while ago, you were mentioning, Gerald Wilkins, that it was a comprehensive briefing that you have conducted.
yes, sa mga VIPs
Yeah.
na dumating on this January 1st, Mr. Chair.
And who conducted that briefing?
Ako po.
No, I mean, who invited all those personalities, the VIPs?
Mr. Chair, coming from Manila po sila
No, what I mean is like, who invited? Are they the one who started the meeting, or sila po ba nagpatawag, or it was you who have invited those VIPs?
Sino Mr. Chair, ano po yun? Yung VIP o yung, ano po yung tanong niyo po ulit?
You were telling us, di ba, na meron kayong kinonduct na briefing, di ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Involving the immigration, Angelo Reyes.
Walang,
A while ago, you were telling that. I heard you.
yes, pero hindi ko alam kung may immigration doon, Mr. Chair. Kasi ang sinalubong namin from the airport, yung Davao International Airport,
Yes.
merong isang VIP room doon, Mr. Chair. Yun yung holding area namin na
Kasi
lahat ng VIPs.
who are those people? I mean, sila ba nag-start nung nagpatawag nung briefing, or it was you?
Ako po, hindi po. Sinundo ko po sila. So, while magkakasabay sir sila, General Reyes, General Aglipay, General De Leon, General Abinido.
So they
Magkakasabay
went
sila.
there
sir.
on their own volition.
From Manila.
They went there on their own volition, or you're the one who called them over?
No, they decided to come over sa Davao City because of that anti-drug operation, Mr. Chair. So what I did is para isahang briefing, doon ako sa airport launch nag-conduct ng briefing for all of them. Bago i-travel sila papuntang Dumoy Laboratory so that alam nila ano yung i-expect nila doon sa area.
Alright.
So I decided to conduct the briefing for them. During that time, walang immigration doon, Mr.
So
Chair.
wala ka na remember that Chinese embassy were...
Wala po, wala
Okay.
po.
Sige, yun lang po, Mr. Chairman. Maraming salamat po.
Okay, thank you, Congressman Paduano. Congressman Fernandez. The next to interpolate is Congressman Abante, and then after Congressman Abante, we will proceed with
Mr.
another
Chairman.
presentation.
Mr. Chairman, can I just make a short
With the
comment?
indulgence of Congressman Abante, sige,
Go ahead.
Congressman Paduano, if it's just very short, we will allow
This is just a manifestation